Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm excited to share something really special with you today. Over the years, I've explored countless systems and tools that promise passive income, and while some deliver, others fall short. But today, I've found something that truly stands out, a system that simplifies earning online like never before. It's called Autopilot Sales Machine 25, and it's a game changer for anyone looking to generate hands-free income. When I first came across this system, I was intrigued by its promise. A done-for-you passive income setup? No technical skills, no email list, and no prior experience required? It sounded almost too good to be true. But after diving into it, I quickly realized it's not just a promise, it's a well-thought-out, proven system that works. So, what exactly is Autopilot Sales Machine 25? At its core, it's a system designed to help you make affiliate sales with minimal effort. The setup process is simple, and once it's done, you can literally sit back and let it work for you. Here's how it works. When you grab Autopilot Sales Machine 25, you're automatically approved to promote Secret Traffic Dynamo, a high-converting traffic product that was a bestseller in 2024. But here's the twist: you won't just earn commissions like any other affiliate. Instead, your affiliate link gets added to a special promotion rotator that the creator, Philip P. Brewer, personally uses for his internal traffic campaigns. What does that mean for you? Imagine this: when Philip promotes Secret Traffic Dynamo, there's a good chance that your affiliate link will be the one used for the sale. This means you can earn commissions from his efforts without doing any of the work. And we're not just talking about small commissions here. You'll earn 100% on the front-end sales and 50% on everything else in the funnel. This is where the real magic happens, because it's as close as you'll ever get to true passive income. Now, if you're wondering how to get started, the process couldn't be easier. Once you pick up your copy of Autopilot Sales Machine 25, all you need to do is request your affiliate link for Secret Traffic Dynamo. After that, you simply submit your link, and Philip will take care of the rest. He'll add your link to his rotator, and within 24 hours, you'll receive a confirmation email with tracking links to monitor your sales and traffic. One thing I appreciate about this system is how accessible it is. If you've never made a sale on platforms like Warrior Plus, this is your chance to break through. Affiliate marketing can be intimidating for beginners, especially when it comes to getting approved for offers or driving traffic. But Autopilot Sales Machine 25 eliminates those barriers. Not only are you guaranteed approval, but you're also tapping into an existing system that's been proven to deliver results. For those of you who already have some experience with affiliate marketing, this system is still worth considering. It's an easy way to boost your affiliate score and earn additional passive income with minimal effort. Even if you're a pro, having a set-and-forget system like this running in the background can only enhance your overall strategy. There's also a bonus that makes this offer even sweeter. Along with the Autopilot sales system, you get access to Secret Traffic Dynamo's front-end product. This lets you submit a link of your choice to receive set-and-forget traffic indefinitely. It's like having two passive income streams working for you at the same time. I also want to highlight how affordable this is. For just a one-time fee of $12.95, you're getting a system that does the heavy lifting for you. Considering the potential for passive income, this price is an absolute steal. But keep in mind, this offer won't stay at this price forever. If you're interested, it's best to act quickly to lock in the best deal. I've seen a lot of systems over the years, but Autopilot Sales Machine 25 is one of the few that truly delivers on its promises. Whether you're new to affiliate marketing, or looking for a way to add more hands-free income to your portfolio, this is a system worth checking out. That's all for today, folks. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Have you tried systems like this before? What's worked for you? I'd love to hear about your experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.